Dolphins are fascinating creatures. They captivate our imagination with their playful behavior and remarkable intelligence. They are marine mammals, not fish. This distinction is important because it means they share some characteristics with us humans. This means they breathe air like us. Unlike fish that use gills, dolphins have lungs and must come to the surface to breathe. They have lungs and must surface regularly to take a breath. Typically, dolphins surface every few minutes, but they can hold their breath for up to 15 minutes if needed. Dolphins are known for their intelligence. They can learn complex tricks, solve problems, and even use tools, showcasing their cognitive abilities. They are social animals, living in groups called pods. These pods can range from a few individuals to over 1,000, depending on the species and environment. Dolphins communicate with each other using whistles and clicks. Each dolphin has a unique whistle, much like a name, which helps them identify and call out to each other. These sounds help them find food and navigate. They use echolocation, bouncing sound waves off objects to determine their location, size, and shape. Their sleek bodies and powerful tails allow them to swim gracefully through the water. They can reach speeds of over 20 miles per hour and perform acrobatic leaps and spins. Dolphins are a joy to watch, both in the wild and in the care of humans. Their playful nature and intelligence make them beloved by people all over the world, whether they're seen in the ocean or in marine parks. Dolphins are found in waters around the world. Some species prefer the open ocean. They travel vast distances in search of food. Others stick closer to the coast. Coastal waters offer shallower areas and a greater abundance of prey. Some dolphin species even live in rivers. These freshwater dolphins have adapted to their unique environment. River dolphins have smaller eyes than their ocean-dwelling relatives. This is because the murky water they inhabit limits visibility. Dolphins are carnivores, which means they primarily eat other animals to survive. Their diet is diverse and fascinating. They rely heavily on fish, which forms a significant part of their diet. Dolphins are incredibly skilled hunters, often working together in groups to herd fish into tight balls, making them easier to catch. Fish is a staple food for most dolphins. They are adept at using their speed and agility to outmaneuver their prey. Their streamlined bodies and powerful tails allow them to swim at high speeds, making them efficient predators in the ocean. Squid is another important part of the dolphin diet. These cephalopods provide essential nutrients and are often hunted during the night when they come closer to the surface. Dolphins use a sophisticated method called echolocation to find their food. By emitting sound waves that bounce off objects in the water, they can determine the size, shape, and location of their prey. This ability is crucial for hunting in murky waters or at great depths where visibility is low. Occasionally, dolphins supplement their diet with crustaceans. These include crabs, lobsters, and shrimp. These creatures add variety to their diet and provide additional nutrients that are essential for their health. Dolphins have been observed using clever techniques to catch these hard-shelled animals, showcasing their intelligence and adaptability in the wild. Dolphins reproduce sexually. Mating occurs in the water. After a gestation period of about 12 months, a single calf is born. Dolphin calves are born tail first. This ensures they don't drown during birth. The mother dolphin nurses her calf with milk. This milk is rich in fat and nutrients, helping the calf grow quickly. Calves stay with their mothers for several years, learning essential survival skills. They learn how to hunt, navigate, and interact with other dolphins. Section 5. Dolphins and Humans. A complex relationship. Humans have long been fascinated by dolphins. Their intelligence and playful nature endear them to us. In the wild, dolphins sometimes interact with humans. They may swim alongside boats or approach divers. However, it is important to remember that dolphins are wild animals. We should observe them from a respectful distance. Some dolphins are kept in captivity. This practice is controversial, with some arguing that it is cruel. Section 6. Intelligence on display. The dolphin mind. Dolphins are incredibly intelligent animals. They possess self-awareness, a trait once thought to be unique to humans. This means they are conscious of their own existence. Dolphins can recognize themselves in mirrors. They also exhibit complex problem-solving abilities. Dolphins can learn and remember intricate sequences of behaviors. Their communication skills are equally impressive. Dolphins use a variety of whistles, clicks, and body language to convey information. Section 7. A shared future coexisting with dolphins. As humans, we have a responsibility to protect dolphins. Their future is intertwined with the health of our oceans. Pollution, habitat destruction, and overfishing threaten dolphin populations worldwide. We can all do our part to reduce our impact. By making sustainable choices, we can help ensure a brighter future for these amazing creatures. Supporting organizations that work to protect dolphins is another way to make a difference. Section 8. Protecting our oceans. A call to action. Our oceans, covering more than 70% of the Earth's surface, are a vital part of our planet's ecosystem. They are home to an incredible diversity of life, from the smallest plankton to the largest whales. The oceans are vast and teeming with life. Coral reefs, often referred to as the rainforests of the sea, support a myriad of marine species. These underwater cities are crucial for the health of our oceans. Dolphins, with their intelligence and grace, hold a special place in this ecosystem. They are not just beautiful to watch, but are also indicators of the ocean's health. Their playful nature and complex social structures make them fascinating creatures. It is up to us to ensure their survival. Every piece of trash we remove from the beach, every bit of plastic we keep out of the ocean, makes a difference. Our actions, no matter how small, contribute to a larger effort to protect marine life. We must reduce pollution from entering our waterways. Industrial waste, agricultural runoff, and plastic pollution are major threats to marine ecosystems. By advocating for stricter regulations and supporting cleanup initiatives, we can help mitigate these threats. We must also support sustainable fishing practices. Overfishing has led to the decline of many fish populations, disrupting the balance of marine ecosystems. Sustainable fishing ensures that fish populations remain healthy and that marine life can thrive. By protecting dolphin habitats, we protect the health of our oceans for generations to come. Healthy marine ecosystems are essential for the well-being of our planet. They provide food, regulate the climate, and support biodiversity. Let us work together to ensure that these remarkable creatures continue to grace our oceans for years to come. Through community efforts, education, and advocacy, we can make a significant impact. Together, we can create a future where our oceans are clean, healthy, and full of life.